Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp25 Excel Chapter 5 ML2 Apartment. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Exp25 Excel Chapter 5 ML2 Apartment. So next we move to the project description. You managed several apartment complex and you created a data set list detailed for each apartment complex such as apartment number including the number of bedroom, whatever the units rented, lost remodel data. You will use the data sets gets and apartment at the complex. So we move to the main project steps and total step is 20. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel Chapter 5 ML2 Apartment. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Exp25 Excel Chapter 5 ML2 Apartment. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, before subtotaling the data you need to sort the data and select the summary worksheet. Sort the data by apartment complex in alphabetical orders and then further sort it by hash bed from the smallest to largest. So next select the summary worksheets, go to the Excel worksheet and select the summary worksheets and next sort the data by apartment complex in alphabetical orders and further sort by hash bed from smallest to largest. Go to the Excel worksheets and go to the data tabs, go to the sort and filter groups, click sort, open the sort dialog box and next sort the data by apartment complex. Sort the data by apartment complex, click OK and next alphabetical order and further sort it by hash bed from a smallest to largest. Adder levels and next second level hash bed from a smallest to largest. So hash bed from a smallest to largest. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, you want to use the subtotal feature to display the average total deposit by the number of bedroom for each apartment complex. Use the subtotal feature to insert the subtotal row by apartment complex to calculate the average total deposits and the second subtotal without removing the first subtotal by hash bed to calculate the average total deposit by the number of bedroom. So next use the subtotal feature to insert the subtotal row by apartment complex. So click OK and next go to the data tabs and go to the outline groups, click the subtotals. So open the subtotal dialog box, insert the subtotal row by apartment complex to calculate the average total deposit and the second subtotal, removing the first subtotal by hash bed to calculate the average total deposit by the number of bedroom. So next by apartment complex to calculate the average total deposits. So at each change by apartment complex, and next use the average function, and next select the total deposits. So at each change by apartment complex and use the average function, total deposits, and click OK. And next add the second subtotal without removing the first body subtotals by hash bat to calculate the average total deposit by the number of bedroom. So next go to the data tabs, go to the outline groups and click the subtotals. So open the subtotal dialog box at each change by hash bat, and next use the average function, and so hash bat and use the average function. So next add the second subtotal without removing the first subtotal by hash bat to calculate the average total deposit by the number of bedroom. So next and deselect the replace current subtotals and click OK. Average total deposit by the number of bedrooms. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, use the outline sample to display only the two level of subtotal row along with the grand average, create an automatic outlets and collapse the outline above total deposits. So next use the outline sample to display the only two data level of subtotal row along with the grand average and create an automatic outlines and collapse the outlines above the total deposits. And next create an automatic outlines. Go to the data tabs and next go to the outline groups and click the auto outlines, click OK. So next outline to level subtotal row along with the grand average and create the automatic outlines and collapse the outlines above the total deposits. So next collapse the outlines and next all the total deposits. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, you want to create a pivot tables to determine the average, determine total monthly rentals revenue for occupied apartments, display the rental sheet and create the blank pivot table on the new worksheet to the left of the rental sheet, and change the name of the worksheet to rental revenue and name the pivot table as rental revenue. So next display the rental worksheets, go to the Excel worksheets and select the rental worksheets, and next and create the blank pivot table on the new worksheet. So next create the blank pivot table on the new worksheets, go to the data tabs, go to the insert tabs, go to the table groups and recommended pivot tables and blank pivot tables. So next blank pivot table on the new worksheet to the left rental sheets and change the name of the worksheet is rental revenue. So next change the worksheet is Name of the worksheet is rental revenue. The name of the worksheet is rental revenue. So next, name the pivot table is rental revenue. So change the new worksheet name is rental revenue and name the pivot table is same as rental revenue. So copy the pivot table name is rental revenue and click the pivot tables. Change the pivot table name is rental revenue. So question number 5 is complete and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is display the apartment complex. So next, display the apartment complex and hash bed feed row and rental price feed to the value area. So next, go to the Excel worksheet and select the apartment complex. So select the apartment complex and next, hash bed feed to the row area and rental price feed to the value area. Apartment complex row area and next, hash bed feed to the row area and hash bed feed move and drag to the row area. Apartment complex and hash bed feed to the row area. Next, row and rental price feed to the value area. So next, rental price to the move and drag to the value area. So next, rental price feed to the value area in sum of value area. So question number 6 is complete and we move to the question number 7. So next, we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is format the sum of prices accounting number format with the 0 decimal places and enter the customer name, total rent collected. So next, format the sum of rental price. Format the sum of rental price. So next, format the sum of rental price as the counting number format with the 0 decimal places. So click the value feed settings. So open the value feed setting dialog box. Accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. Number format and accounting number format, 0 decimal places, and enter the custom name is total rent collected. So copy the total rent collected, click OK, and next change the custom name is total rent collected, click OK. So question number 7 is complete and we move to the question number 11. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is select the occupy field So next, select the occupy field for the filter and set the filter to yes to display the data for occupy apartment. So next, select the occupy field for the filter occupy field filter and set the filter yes to display the data occupy apartment. So occupy, move and drag to the filter area. Select the occupy field filter and set the filter to yes display the data for Occupy Apartments, and to select all and display the gist for Occupy Apartments. Select all and yes, and click OK. So question number 8 is complete, and we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is, we move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is, you want to calculate the total monthly rental revenue if the rate increased by 5% for the Occupy Apartments. Set the calculated field to multiply the rental price by 1.05 and change the name of new rental revenue. Apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. So next, insert the calculated for multiply by the rental price by the 1.05. Calculated field multiply by the. So next go to the pivot table analysis and calculated fields. So multiply by the rental price. So multiply by the rental price multiply by 1.05. So copy and next multiply by 1.05 and change the name to the new rental revenue and apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. Change the name of the new rental revenue. So copy the custom names and name is new rental revenue. Click OK. So sum of new rental revenue. Apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. And sum of new rental value field settings. Click the number format and apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. Number format with the 0 decimal places. Click OK and again OK. Apply the accounting number format with the 0 decimal places. So question number 9 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.